Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you are someone who is already subscribed to me, welcome back to my channel. You know that I usually post makeup and sometimes art-related content, but you might not know that I also love ASMR, and I have been wanting to branch out and start making some ASMR content. I'm very excited about today's video because I have been fortunate to work with BEEBEECRAFT, and they have sent me some products for free to show all of you. They have a very fun YouTuber program where you can qualify to receive free products from BEEBEECRAFTs if you have 100 or more subscribers and you do some videos for them in return with their products. So I'm going to leave all of the information about BEEBEECRAFTs in my description box so that you can check them out if you would like to know. They also offer free international shipping on orders over $25. So if you are not looking to join their YouTube program but would like to try some of their products, they do offer a very good free shipping program. All of the jewelry and crafting supplies that I purchased were packaged in a lot of bubble wrap to ensure their safety. Everything arrived in tip-top condition without any damage. One of the products I received from BEEBEECRAFTs is this BEEBEECRAFT Monofilament Transparent Cord. Cord from BEEBEECRAFT. BEEBEECRAFT is 219 yards long, or 200 meters. The diameter is 0.006 inches, or 0.16 millimeters. This cord can be used for a lot of different beading projects. From what I understand, cord like this can handle a lot of wear and tear. I also received some earring studs with their backings. I have both silver and gold pieces in this container. The brand of these findings is Panda Hall Elite. This is what the individual pieces look like. We have these clear rubber backings for earring studs, as well as these silver backings. And the gold. And then we have the silver and gold studs. I have seen people use these for polymer clay earrings, where they hot glue their clay pieces to the flat sides of the stud. I also got some metal beads from the Panda Hall brand. These beads feel pretty heavy and seem to be of a nice quality. I really like that all of these products come with their own small plastic boxes. It is so helpful to have these little containers for organization. At the moment, my family is being very loud outside of my room. I'm not sure if it's adding to the ASMR ambiance. Wow. I feel like these weigh in total about half a pound. They're quite heavy. I think these beads would look beautiful on some bohemian style long necklaces. Lastly, I got a large container of seed beads. I have been doing crafts with seed beads since I was maybe 12 or 13. Again, I love this small case that has all of the different colors so nicely organized. These beads are also by the brand BEEBEECRAFT. They are absolutely beautiful, and there is quite a large quantity of them. I feel like I can make some beautiful craft projects with them. I'm very excited to show you some of the things I make in my upcoming videos. I might even do it ASMR style. They're so satisfying to touch. I love looking at them. They are very pretty. Those are all of the products that I got from BEEBEECRAFT. I will leave links down below for each specific product. I will also have more information about their YouTube program if you are interested in checking it out. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you liked this video and if you would like to see my future projects. I'll see you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.